Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. If you're someone that likes camping, the great outdoors, fishing, or maybe workwear, and you want some decent waterproofs, these here are probably the best waterproofs I've had since my British Army issue. I believe it's Soldier 2000 or Soldier 95 as I refer to it, Gore-Tex jacket. This is the one with the two chest pockets. This is different fabric than the old like DPM jackets you used to get without the pockets on them, but that one has served me well for about 9-10 years. I've grown out of it. We all get fatter, don't we? Eat more, get wider. That jacket is a little bit tight now, so I wanted something else. I wasn't able to find a brand new version of that. I hate buying second hand in respect of you don't know what quality you're getting, especially when you're looking at an eBay listing and someone says it's immaculate. I don't trust that judgment, unfortunately. I purchased that one actually with money, brand new, in a packet. It cost quite a bit of money when I bought it because I wasn't able to get issue ones. So that one is kind of like on the back burner now and it's not getting used so much. So I shopped around and looked at some various websites and found this jacket here. This is brand new. It came in a packet. It's genuine and it's French Army issue, CCE Gore-Tex. So same fabric, very similar in design. Obviously it probably falls into some NATO coding and probably has a NATO stock number or USN number, the French equivalent to the British kit. But the jacket cost me £56. That was free delivery. I'll put a link in the description of the video to where I purchased this one from. You can buy them on eBay, but again, they're second hand, a lot of them. But this one was brand new. It's a nice camouflage colour. It's not as in your face military, where if this one here had a Carhartt label on there or another popular brand name, it would look like an urban fashion jacket as opposed to a military issue Gore-Tex jacket. So it is brand new, so it's not as flexible and supple as my older Gore-Tex that you've just seen, but it will wear in and get softer. The sizings on these are slightly different than the British, so you've got to familiarise yourself with the conversions to get the right sizes. However, this one here, I was very surprised I got the sizings right. It's a little bit bigger than it you may think, you know, if you want to get something. I bought this a little bit bigger because I wanted to wear it in winter and obviously have more winter style clothes on underneath, thicker fleeces, base layers, and I've got room to move where I'm not like a sweaty bag of waterproof clothing. But it's Gore-Tex. You've got where the British one's got its rank slide, Velcro rank slide on the centre of the chest. This one's got a Velcro piece here for its rank slide. I just moved the camera, try not to shake it too much. So you've got a Velcro rank slide here, and then you've got another one on each of the sleeves. It's hooded, so it's got a pack away hood that's concealed within the collar. This one here has two lower pockets you can put your hands in, and then when you open up the storm flap, where the British one has got a through zip here, the British version, you put your hand in there and you're within your inner layer of your normal clothing. This one has two, I'd say map pockets, I think is best to describe them. So they are actually enclosed pockets, so you can put things in there that may be vital to your military service in France. It's got a brilliant wind baffle, so that goes over the zip, and then that goes over that, and that creates a baffle to stop any wind going on there. The insides, if I unzip it, it'll probably fall off the hanger. But again, it's the same Gore-Tex fabric as the British Army issue. Let me see if I can open it without it dropping off the hanger. All the pockets are all nicely made inside. Taped seams. They're made by a company called VTN, Victor Tango November. Tape seams, and then you've got a big instruction label here on the inside, which I'm not fluent in French, but I will try and translate that at some point and see what it says, because it would be quite interesting. But it's a brand new jacket, £56, purchased it through a website I found via a Google search. I can't remember that off the top of my head either, so it's a pretty useless video if I can't remember the information, but I'll link that in the description of the video. But it's a nice jacket, CCE, French Army issue or French military issue. It might be cross-service jacket, so they might have them in the French Navy and the Air Force. Also underneath each sleeve, you've got the venting in the sleeve, so you open that up and you can vent through the sleeve to let air out if need be. But it's a lovely jacket, a different colour. It wouldn't look too military in a public setting, so it's nice. It's not high vis reflective. I'm not using it for work. It's purely for pleasure, recreational use, and some other jobs that I do within the pyrotechnics industry, where you get soaking wet and covered in mud when you're laying charges and things in fields for films. But it's a lovely jacket. I'll give more detailed videos on it as time goes by, as I'm using it. But also to complement that, I did risk it like a biscuit on eBay, and I found the matching pair of trousers, which were brand new. So these are a dungaree style, like bib and brace trouser. It's the same fabric, exactly the same colour, brand new, so it matches. I purchased these, I think these were £35 from a seller that I found on eBay, and risked it, and that seller did not let me down. They fit me perfectly, and they will fit with some thicker winter trousers underneath. They've got a bib and brace style, which is contained in a zipped pocket inside, so it doesn't all hang out when you're storing them like this. You've got quick easy leg openings, so all the legs, like some of the British Army Gore-Tex trousers, you can unzip the whole leg and expose yourself. So I'm guessing if you're wearing them in a battlefield setting or a war zone, and you step on an IED, you get shot or something awful like that, and you suffer from lower leg trauma, you can quickly open them up and then triage your patient that way. But those were £35. They are brand new, and they have got that lovely military Gore-Tex smell about them, something you can't describe what it smells like, but if you know what I mean, you'll know what I'm on about. So jacket, £56, £35 for the trousers. But very happy. French Army, CCE, Charlie Charlie Echo. I'll put a link to that in the video, and also if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Subscribe, support the channel, help it grow. Subscribe, press the bell icon, and stay tuned for new videos. But thank you for watching AW Services.